Fundamentally, when we talk climate change now, we know that we talk in two different places, two basically fundamentally different places. One is mitigation. What do we do about it? How do we lessen the threat? And the other is adaptation. What do we do about it now that it's real and things are actually changing? The adaptation story is a very important one, and it shouldn't minimize the mitigation story. We still need to do what needs to be done to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and deal with the problem. But for whatever time and investment it's going to take, changes are taking place as we speak. Coastal erosion, sea level rise, extreme heat, extreme weather, flooding, drought, the movement of people because it's 125 degrees someplace and you can barely live there anymore. These are all the realities of our world now. We need to understand them. We need to be honest with ourselves about what they represent and what they mean. And we need to be able to tell the facts and the stories about what these things entail. We do this every day, by the way. We're adapting every day and telling the story in one way or another, communicating it every day. It may start with a planning or zoning commission or a town board of selectmen that changes the zoning regs or the building regs in a community. You got to build your house up higher. You got to use different windows. You got to use different roofing materials because the weather has changed. So we're already there. How we inform people about this, how we engage them about it without burying them in doom and gloom, but saying, look, there is actually some good, exciting stuff here because these are changes you can make that are less expensive, that will save you money. LED lighting, once you buy the light bulb, is a lot cheaper in terms of the energy use that it consumes than an incandescent bulb, which wastes most of its or a lot of its energy in heat loss. So this is what we need to communicate now. Clearly, the world is changing. When the world changes, we change. How, why, and how for the better so that people can navigate through this very challenging and interesting time.